Hey guys, this is Nick from Dirt King Fabrication. This week we're going to get started on this 2018 Toyota Tundra. This truck's going to get Dirt King Fabrication long travel kit front, spring under rear with King long travel spec shocks. Fiberglass is going to be ADV front and rear. We're going to do a custom front bumper and plate rear bumper. We're going to be doing 37-inch Toyo Open Country MTs wrapped around the current Method 315s. This one we're going to be color matching the glass as well as doing Line-X inside all the glass and the top of the bed rail. Let's get into the build. We're getting ready to install the front kit on this Tundra. We have everything laid out. This kit's going to be 3.5 inches wider per side. It's going to include a boxed lower, boxed upper, your limit straps, as well as your limit strap mounting kit, upper and lower control arm spacer kits, your tie rod extensions. This customer also got the alignment cam gussets. The kit's going to come with the brake lines as well as all needed hardware. Shock package is a 2.5 by 8 King coilover and 3.0 by 8 King 3-tube bypass. This customer opted to run the 2-inch King bump stops as well. Let's get into the install. Hey guys, this is Nick at Dirt King and we're all wrapped up with this 2018 Toyota Tundra. This truck got our long travel kit in the front, spring under kit in the rear, King long travel spec coilovers and 3.0 bypasses front and rear, King 2-inch bump stops front and rear. We did a custom front bumper, Dirt King Fabrication plate rear bumper, and ADV glass front and rear. Tires are 37, 13, 50, 17 Toyo Open Country MTs, wrapped around Method 315s in satin black. We also did a stainless side exit exhaust, as well as had all the fiberglass color matched and Line-X'd. For more information on this build or any of our other products, check out dirtking.com and check us out on Instagram at DirtKing.